Have a nice and safe day to you all, and a very warm welcome to this channel again. Today we will be discussing about another interesting topic regarding biology. This system purely deals with biological activities and our lifestyle. All of us know what is immunity. Immunity is the defending system of body. When we have a good immunity, we are very less affected. Even we are infected by certain agent, the body recover faster because the immunity of our body is stronger. Any substance cannot raise our immunity up to maximum when it is not inbuilt. Medicines can give us relief. It can raise the immunity not all of sudden, but it will take some period. It activate our body to produce the cells. Okay, so immunity, to raise the immunity, is purely a natural affair. Okay, so in this video we will be discussing about some of the major criteria on which the immunity depends. When we are suffering from bacteria, we are taking antibiotics, but when we are suffering from virus, antiviral drugs are there, but it provides some of the relief. Virus hijack our body machinery, so our immune system is the only wealth of our body which can combat over virus. So to raise the immunity, for boosting the immunity, today in this video we will discuss about some food and lifestyles which can protect, which can give us sufficient immunity and protect us from the various type of viral and bacterial infections. So let's discuss first food. Not medicine can give all time relief. Food, the prime food, the first type food, if we take, they are fruits and green vegetables. Fruits and green vegetables. Green vegetables. How? Green vegetables are purely rich sources of vitamin E, vitamin C, along with beta carotene. These are very much essential component of food to raise our body immunity. Okay, so the fruits and vegetables are very much essential. It also carries some antioxidant that can reduce the oxidative stress of the body. So these are very beneficial. The second components are we can take ginger, cloves, garlic. What are the benefits from it? These are anti-inflammatory substances. Anti-inflammatory, it provides sufficient reason for boosting our body immunity. Okay, it also fight against flu and cold, so that it can provide faster immunity to body. Then we can take another substance, that is turmeric. What turmeric does? Turmeric, it consists of phytoactive substance. The phytoactive substance is, it is known as curcumin. 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 What its function? It induces healing property of the body, so that we can recover faster. Next, after turmeric, we can take citrus and honey, citrus type of food and honey. It help in flushing out all the toxins from the body. It remove the toxic agents from the body. Then green chili and pea chilies, green chilies, not all chili, green chilies. Green chili help in using our calories faster, and also it help in preventing cardiovascular diseases. It maintain cardiovascular system. The pea are rich source of vitamin C and vitamin E for body immunity. So these are the major food, except that we can take another food which is in form of a root, that is number 6. We can take the example of carrot. The carrot carries lycopene. It consists of lycopene substance. What is function? The lycopene prevent cardiac diseases, and also carrot induces the plasma cells or B cells to produce more antibodies. So it is essential food component. Except this, we can take green tea. Green tea, it is also another essential component for raising our immunity. Green tea consists of flavonoids, isoflavonoids, some other chemical compounds like theanine, theobromine for boosting our immunity. It consists of theanine, theobromine, flavonoids, isoflavonoids to raise the immunity of the body. So these are the concerns of food. What to avoid? We must have to avoid maximum animal protein, not total animal protein, maximum animal proteins. But the fast food, junk food, these are immunity killers. These should be totally avoided. Okay, so these are the food habits. Let's go about the daily lifestyle of individual. Lifestyle. First of all, what would be the normal lifestyle for boosting immunity in this pandemic session? Okay, first we have to walking or jogging minimum 30 minutes to 1 hour daily. It do not require any other exercise. Okay, walking is very much essential for maintaining healthy condition. Okay, then adequate sound sleep, not sleeping, sound sleep 6 to 8 hours, and a proper time should be maintained. It should be from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. not from 1 p.m. to 9 a.m. 1 a.m. to 9 a.m. not useful. Proper timetable should be maintained during sleep and awake. Okay, the third condition is the eating timing. We should maintain usual eating habits and should not take a large meal, heavy meal with longer duration. The meal should be light with very short duration. It is useful, and the time or duration of eating should be longer, not very fast. We should chew it completely, so it can boost our immune system. Then another important thing in our lifestyle is anti-anxiety. we should not have maximum anxiety. Tension should be reduced because it is the cause of several diseases. So if we can maintain such type of food habits, such type of lifestyle, we can raise our immunity. Not a very fast period, but if we will continue it for a duration, certainly we will get some benefits. Okay, thank you all.